Why is it that some of our animals absolutely detest medications, completely resist it, despite knowing that it is actually for their own well being? Well, this is a very interesting question, and I do get a lot of people reaching out to me where their animals just do not want to take medications and they request me to request the animal to take the medicine so that it helps them, and they want me to explain to their animals how important taking that medicine is, because sometimes these are old animals, these are ailing animals, and sometimes they're also going through a very serious health issue. And in most of these cases, the animal's response is that it is something that is extremely unnatural to them. So while they understand at an energetic level that taking this medicine is going to help them, physically their fight or flight response, their limbic system, or their instinct really does not like the smell, the taste, the texture, and hence they reject it. So many of these animals will say, I understand why my human is doing it, I want to cooperate with my human. However, it gets very difficult because when they feed me the medicine through the food starts smelling of it, or the texture in my mouth is very horrible, or sometimes they even say that my body does not need it. Now, in most cases, I would recommend the human to respect the animal's wishes. However, there are certain times where negotiation is not possible. For example, even if my animal tells me that I don't want medicine, as much as I want to listen to my animal and respect their wishes, in certain cases it's just impossible. And that's true with our animals as well. There are so many times when we are requesting them something and they want to do it sometimes but they are unable to, or sometimes they just flat out deny, and we respect that. So at no point do we stop treatment because the animal is unwilling to take medication, but we can definitely put in an effort to understand what is going to help the animal take the medicine. So there are many a times where animals will share that, don't trick me, show me the medicine, let me smell it, let me sniff it, maybe show the carton of the medicine, let me get comfortable with it, tell me that you're going to feed me the medication and then give me, so that it's easier for me to mentally prepare myself to take that medicine, despite the fact that physically I'm very uncomfortable. Sometimes the animals are very honest and say that, hey, look, I can't cooperate, so I give you the right to do whatever it is you need to do to give me the medicine, and just do it. I know it's for my own good. I'm unable to cooperate with you, so go ahead and do what you want to do to give me the medication. Just be honest about it. Once again, don't lie to them, don't try to dupe them into taking it, but just be honest. Then there are times where the animals will say that, don't put it in my food because then it just ruins the entire experience of having the meal. Instead, let me have my food and then maybe put it in some treat or something else, maybe mix it in honey or whatever the doctors recommend and allow for, and then put it on my tongue quickly, or just put it down my throat and do that. So there are various ways of negotiating with our animals, and if nothing works, then we just have to do what needs to be done to help our animals better. However, it's good to understand their perspective so that if there is a middle ground that can be reached, we can definitely try that and make it easier for both ourselves and our animals. But if not, then sometimes we just have to force them. We just have to go against their wishes, because in that moment we become the primary caregiver of our animal, at least in their physical form, and we are doing everything in our power to help them feel better. They are aware of it, but unfortunately, since physically it's unnatural to them, they may not be able to cooperate. So just letting them know that, hey, look, this is what it is and this is what needs to be done, sometimes also helps them tell us that, yes, go ahead with it, I may not cooperate, but I understand this is for my own good and I want you to help me. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you have experienced this with your own animals or with your other animals, please do mention it in the comment section below. Let us know how you resolve the issue and how other different ways that you medicate your animals if they are averted to it, resistant to it. Until the next video, bye bye.